So I think I want to just start off by saying, like, to apologize for how long it has been since I've uploaded. It's been like over 2 weeks, and I planned on uploading right at the end of the first week. I have videos to upload, and if you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys can keep up with all that. I post everything on Instagram before you see it on YouTube, so like, if you're not following me on Instagram, but you want to stay up to date on what's really going on, then that's the best idea, because here lately, I have been uploading more or less than I used to. Not as much as I used to. I'm going to try to change that eventually. It's just hard constantly, every other day, you know, trying to do something car-related. And it not be boring, but I thought I should probably go ahead and say that after the first week, I plan on uploading, like I said, and then went on vacation again, and I was on vacation for a week, and I was just like, I'll just take a big break from it, and then now I'm taking the time to sit down and edit this video, and you probably expect another video at the end of this week. Thought I should probably add this in there into the video before it even really starts. Basically, I videoed how to connect the wiring, like the wiring harness from the stock headlights to the aftermarket ones, which is very simple and pretty straightforward, but it can be confusing because they don't connect the same way that the stock ones do. So although, like I said, it is simple, but showed which goes to which, and I'm not sure if the colors are different on each car, but for my case, I said and I'm hoping that's the same exact for every single Speed 3. But anyways, basically, I forgot to video how to actually take out the headlights, which it is very simple. Once you get off the bumper, basically there's like 3 bolts, I think. You take those 3 bolts out and they come right out. Basically, I can explain the best of my ability where all the bolts are at. Basically, right where you would put like a quick release for your bumper at. And if you don't know what a quick release is, it's basically you install it and it basically connects your fender to your front bumper in a way. And you just click a button on it, and it disconnects your bumper, so it's easy to take on and off. And pretty much right there's a bolt that you have to take out, and then I'm pretty sure the other bolts are pretty straightforward. That's the only one that's kind of hidden, but it's simple. You can take them out pretty easily, and I'm sorry that I didn't have a clip of that in there and how to do it. And I also didn't film putting them back in, because I'm assuming you guys remember the way you put them in, take them out, and then you put them back in. It's pretty easy. But now, anyways, back to the video. So welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to be installing my new Spec D headlights, which I will show you guys those in just a second. If you guys are following me on Instagram, then you've already saw them. But, well, I mean, you didn't see them turned on, but anyway. So, last video, the oil issue, that kind of thing. Did a compression test. Came back bad, but all cylinders were even, same numbers. Look at what came in the mail today, guys. There they are, guys. They look so good, actually. Way better than I even thought they were going to be. I mean, I knew they were going to look good, but there's a lot of people that say these are junk, and then there's a lot of people that just say they're perfectly fine. So I guess we'll see for me. And I've seen people say that they came to their house like shattered and stuff, and then that the lens change color easily, like go to a foggy look, which I'm gonna spray some protector stuff on mine. But mine are fine, perfectly fine, it looks like. And also somebody said the LEDs go out fast, which I don't know if that's true for my case, but we'll see. I'm going to go ahead and start by taking off the bumper, and I'm assuming you guys already know how to take off the bumper. So guys, I was just now thinking about it. This was getting aggravating trying to fool with those clips down there. So I was like, you know what? Why even take the whole bumper off when you can just take off the headlights from here? All your bolts are here that you need to take off. They're all here that you need. So why not just take it off without taking off the bumper? It would make it a lot easier. So if I was you guys, I would highly recommend doing that. It would just make it a lot easier on you. So I got the old headlights out, as you guys can see, and it was pretty easy, not gonna lie. Super easy to do, so if you guys do plan on doing these, trust me, it's not that hard at all. I'm not sure what I have to take off of these to put on the other one, but I'm about to find out, and I will let you guys know. So, and little did you guys know we have a hella horn in here. I did that I don't know how long ago. But eventually, when I get the aftermarket grill, I can't think of what it's called, I will put those probably in there, and you will be able to see them, which is going to be really cool. So, for this headlight right here, it's the exact same as the right one, basically, to take it out. So, just copy what you did on the other side, and you should be good. I just want to say that right here, I don't know if you guys can see it, right under this little clip, there is a bolt on it. On the other one, I mean, the whole headlight will come out, but you can take that off if you want. I'm not sure. I'm guessing you might have to transfer those over to the other headlights, actually, because that helps clip to the bumper. So if you want to take those off before, I would, but for me, they just all popped off at once with the other headlights, so that's what I'm going to do with this one. So as you guys can see, here's the right headlight, and it's all been simple so far. So I'm all cool with it, and I'm gonna go get the new headlights. As you guys can see, here they are. They look really good. I think they're absolutely beautiful. They are amazing looking. So really hyped to get these in the car, and pretty sure you have to do something with the wiring harness with these. But I will get that figured out, and we'll see where we get with that, and I'll let you guys know how to do it. So I don't know how well you guys can see, but pretty much what you have to do is take these clips and unclip them, and you unclip these, all of them, and then of course this too. You basically take off the whole wiring harness to these, and then you transfer it over to the other headlight. So, and then everything should plug in just like that. You should be good. So, sounds simple. Well, it may sound difficult, but it's very simple, trust me. Like, right now you maybe see in this video and be like, dang, that looks difficult. But it's really not. In person, it really looks simple. So, anyways, we'll get to that right now, guys. Also, by the way, these little clip thingies right here, you do have to transfer these over to the new headlights, because these are what helps. This is basically what connects the bumper to fit under this. So you will need that. And also on the new headlights, if I were you, I would not take off the plastic cover to protect them until you have them on the car, because if you take that off before, then you're going to probably scratch them while you're trying to do this. So I would just recommend not to do that. And as you guys can see, I got it all disconnected and everything. And I'm going to go ahead and transfer this over to the new ones. It's actually very simple. You just unbolt the clips and everything just slides right out. Super simple. And also, I would probably put something under this, so even though you may not be using these headlights again, I would still protect them. So put something under them. This came with the new headlights to protect them in the package, and that's what I'm using. Put this on, but I would just protect these and maybe if they look bad like mine did, just do a restoration kit and, I mean, lay them to the side, or maybe if you want to sell them, just, you know, do that. It'd be like a brand new set. And the only thing the next owner would have to have was the harness, but I'm sure you could get one of these at Mazda for, I'd say, pretty cheap. So here's the aftermarket ones, and there was a rubber band around these clips. I would just undo the rubber band. So guys, I went ahead and put the new harness on. It's basically, I'll tell you the connections of how they connect, because some of you guys, of course, you know, I just did it myself and figured out which one went to which by looking, but some of you guys are gonna be like, hey, I want to make sure I'm doing this right. So basically, the blue and black connects to the red and black. All right. So now the red and black on the from the headlight, the new headlight, connects to the blue and yellow. All right. And then the yellow and white here connects to the orange and like pinkish look. And then the other thing that connects up to there, you just slide it back on the thing, and this should work. I'm gonna hook it up real quick and making sure it works just to double check before I try putting it back in the car. So I thought this was supposed to be LED too, but I guess not. But if that's the case, I can just buy LED bulbs, and we'll see. But these look awesome, and it looks really cool. So as you guys can see, I got one in, and they look so good. I can't even describe how good they look. That looks so good. I can't get over it. So as you guys can see, they look really, really good. And I like them a lot. It looks awesome to me. I think they look really, really, really good. And to be honest, they weren't really that hard to do. And also, if you don't know what you're doing and you see this part and you didn't follow along with the video and you're just watching this before you do them, it's not that bad at all. So you can probably do it easily. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope it helped you, because nobody else has a video on YouTube of this particular car. So I thought it would probably be a really good video to make, because best videos are the ones that nobody else makes. So, because if somebody wants to search that and you're the only one with it, then guess where everybody's going? You. So that's gonna be me this time. I did those, and they look really good, so I would really suggest them. There's a lot of people that say, oh, they're garbage, this and that, and honestly, they were fine when I pulled them out of the box, and they're fine now. And everybody says that the LEDs go out fast, which if they do, then I'll be sending them back or something. I'll be doing something. But and they also say that they fog up fast or something like that. Well, realistically, headlights are gonna fog up over time anyways, so you know, that's always gonna be expected. But anyways, please make sure to subscribe, and please drop a like on this video too. And I think that's gonna be it. Don't forget to stay positive. Peace out.